Greetings out there, it's David Duford from BuyLifeInsuranceForBurial.com, and today's video is about the question about no questions asked life insurance. I'm a life insurance agent. I work with all sorts of people 50 and older, and many times I have questions that they ask me about the stuff they get in the mail, otherwise known as their junk mail. They just never stop sending them junk, and they really wonder what these programs are all about, and quite honestly have a little bit of skepticism. Well, the reason I'm making this video is to help more people out in a larger fashion, but also to reaffirm what they think and probably what you think is true, that there is some level of skepticism about how these plans really work. Well, here's the deal. When it comes to no questions asked insurance, you got to ask yourself a few questions. Number one, if you're in good shape and you take this, who's to say that they're not going to take somebody who's on their deathbed? Maybe they have health problems, maybe they have health issues, and they lump you in together. So does that mean he's going to get the same coverage as you? Because he has a higher chance of passing before you do. Of course, we don't know when that's going to really happen, but all else equal, that might be the case more often than not. So here's where I'm going with this. The little gotcha clause in these no questions asked insurance is that there is a 2-year waiting period for natural death causes, okay? Meaning, if you die from cancer, heart issues, or any other natural causes, it doesn't really matter what it is. They will not pay the full amount of coverage that you think that you have. That's the catch. I've had people who have died literally days before the 2 years have been up, or at least that's what they told me about their family who had these plans, these no questions asked plans, and they didn't have any coverage. And what's really sad about it, there's so many options out there. Even if you do have ailments and diseases that you'd otherwise think nobody's going to talk to me, you can easily get coverage. For example, diabetes, COPD, cancer history, heart history even. All sorts of issues can be covered despite having problems with first day coverage. So here's the deal. You don't want to go with a no questions asked life insurance plan until you have looked at all the other options and talked with an agent who will at least shop you around first to see if he can get you the best deal. That's what I do at BuyLifeInsuranceForBurial.com. Now the next step, if you're curious about seeing what your options are, if you'd like to get a no obligation quote without anybody harassing you, go to my website. It's BuyLifeInsuranceForBurial.com. I want you to either click on the contact box and fill out a form to send to me. I'll be happy to give you a quote over the email. Or if you'd prefer to call, you can call the number that's listed on my website. Call that number. You'll get me or somebody else, and we'll be happy to provide you with a no-obligation quote to help you decide whether or not what I have to offer is better than what you'll get elsewhere. If you don't like what I have to say, no problem. If you like it, great. I'll be happy to help you out. If you've got any questions or concerns, feel free to stop by my website. Again, it's BuyLifeInsuranceForBurial.com and ask away. My name's Dave Duford, and I want to thank you so much for listening to this video. Y'all take care.